jealousy or envy is an absolutely useless emotion. You know, any other emotions like anger or any kind of negative emotion, each time there is an other person is involved because you're expressing your negative emotions to another person. Whereas in jealousy, you are expressing it to yourself. So the problem is that when you express a negative emotion to yourself, it harms you more than you express it to other person. So jealousy is actually, or envy is actually a very harmful emotion, and it actually damages your mind, damages your body. So we have to get out of this emotion. How do we do that? So envy is a self-defeating emotion. Why it is self-defeating is that you are always comparing yourself with another person. And when you talk about another person of almost at your stature, almost at your level, you are not envious about Bill Gates or the richest man in the world or even the CEO of your company. You are only envious about people who are a little bit above you, but that is absolutely not correct. Because what happens is that in that case, you are giving the key of your happiness to another person. And that person decides whether you should be happy or not. If that person does well in his career or doesn't well in his studies, you feel that, oh, I am inferior to that person. So everywhere what happens is there is a comparison between you and the other person that never gives you happiness. So that is one of the major reasons you have to completely get out of this emotion of jealousy or envy. So please don't mistake jealousy or envy as competition, because competition is a very healthy emotion or a healthy attitude actually if you compete with somebody, and it's a healthy attitude as well as it is fun. That is why we call it sportsman spirit. You know, if you want to get feel that you're winning against somebody, but that is absolutely, you should take it on a competition basis and on an absolute fun basis. In that case, what you have to do is, okay, once you finish your competition, you forget about that completely. You and the other person are still friends. You don't keep anything inside your heart because the competition is over and you're completely out of that once you're out of the playground. But whereas envy is a dangerous thing, because even when you come out of the playground, it still grinds you inside, it still eats you. So that is going to create you all kinds of negativities, and it harms your body by creating all kinds of negative hormones, and it harms your mind because the mind will be tuned towards an absolute negativity of envy. So don't mistake between envy and competition. Competition is a very healthy attitude and you have to carry on with the competition. But when you do the competition, you should make sure that the competition, you do not cross the line and goes to the envy. If it goes to the envy, you're doomed. If you keep it in the competition, that spirit, you can be successful. So how do we come out of this horrible emotion called jealousy or envy? I'm going to give you 3 solutions, 3 steps to come out of this emotion, to have a happy and peaceful life. And we all know happiness leads to success. So if you have to be happy, a successful person, you have to be happy first. Okay, the first step is awareness. You have to be aware of, whenever this emotion comes out, you have to be aware of this emotion. In psychology, this is called meta-representation. Meta-representation means knowing about knowing. So if you know something about that particular thing, why you are knowing, so go behind and see, okay, there is an emotion of jealousy coming in. So that is what is called meta-representation, that is knowing about knowing. The moment you know that it is a jealousy which is coming up, which is a totally useless emotion, that is the first step. That means you already caught that negative emotion. It is in your control now. Now you decide what you have to do with your emotion, not your brain. If you leave it to your brain, it will take you places where all the dark places it will take you, so you won't find a solution. Step number 1 is awareness or meta-representation. Step number 2 is dissolve. The moment the jealousy comes in, you should find a way to dissolve that emotion completely from your brain. So how do we dissolve this emotion? The step, one main thing to dissolve this emotion, one main tool to dissolve this emotion is to express gratitude. If the other person is doing better than you, or he is possessing some material thing like a better car than you, or if you are in the college or school or university, scoring better marks than you, that person is completely different individual. Everybody in this universe are unique individuals. So you cannot say that that person is doing well. Okay, he's doing well because at his own status is doing well. So express gratitude to that person. Why are you feeling jealous? Do you have anything against him or her? So express gratitude to that person. find at least 5 good things that person has done to you or to the environment or to the universe. It's not necessarily to you. Everybody is good people in this world. There are no bad people. Okay. So second one is dissolving. So dissolving is basically done through expressing gratitude. Find 5 good things about that person. Then gradually it goes away. And the third thing, the most important thing is learn lessons. Learn lesson from your emotion of jealousy. Why are you feeling jealous about it? Okay, that person is doing well. What can you learn out of that person has done good in his life and adopt it into your life? That is the lesson you have to learn, first of all. And also this lesson, how it helps you to align with your path towards your goal, towards your success, towards happy and peaceful life. So when you adopt that thing to your life, you are already made a positive outcome out of your bloody negative outcome of jealousy. Now you know the 3 steps to get out of this horrible habit of jealousy or envy. But before getting into the first step, you have to tame your mind. You have to practice to tame your mind. Once the mind is tamed, it is very easy to have a kind of a control over the mind, and that is when you catch hold of your negative thoughts. As I told you, as the first step is meta representation, that means as and when your thought arises, catch hold of it and say, hey, I don't want this thought because this is a negative thought and I have to find solutions to get out of it. So to tame the mind, the major tool to tame the mind is meditation. I'm not asking you to meditate for hours or days together. Just practice meditation for 10 minutes a day. Focus on your breath for 10 minutes a day. Do it for 21 days, it becomes a practice. So once you have a tamed, meditated mind, it's easy to get into the first steps. And once you are in the first steps, the next steps follows and it is very easy to get out of this emotion. So if you want to know more about this meditation techniques and specifically custom made meditation techniques, please visit our website www.anandadhara.com.